Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. And we're still working on our quantitative reasoning series. This is section F, right? And if you're getting to see this for the first time, please do where to check. We have section A, B, C, D, E, right, already uploaded. Thank you. So let's look at this and analyze the samples. Okay, we have 4 different pots here. Okay, so we just look at the numbers and see if we could easily find basic operations, multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition, right, from the numbers before we look at other things. So I'm looking at 55, 10, 60. All right, so from 55, 10, I can see a relationship already. Because I know 10 times 5 is 50, right? So I quickly confirm with the next sample to see if that is correct. So I check 5 times 5, oh, that's 25, right? And then 4 times 4, that's 16, okay? So that analysis is correct, okay? So we can quickly write that down. So we have 50 equals to 5 times 10. All right, so making use of this, so that's correct. Then we have 60, 30, 20 in this spot, right, in this position. We have 60, 30, and 20. So how can we relate that? Knowing that 10 times 5 is 50, the only thing that I can see connecting to 60 here would be 50 and 10, right? 50 plus 10 should be 60. So let's see if that works for the other samples. So we have 25 plus 5, oh, that's 30. 16 plus 4, that's 20. All right, that's correct. Now you have to pay attention to this. You could see here that 25 plus 5 it also equals to 30, and 16 plus 4 here is 20. But when you get to this point, you see that 50 plus 5 is not 60. And that's why you have more than one sample to check your analysis to see if whatever you've seen or the analysis you're seeing is correct. Okay? And I always advise that you use the sample that does not have a repeated digit or repeated number for your analysis. Okay? So if we go with these 2 samples, we could be misled, all right, and then our analysis will not be correct. Okay, so always look at the one without repeated number and then do your analysis with that. So now we've seen that this is 50 plus 10, all right. For 60, we've seen that 50 plus 10 will give us 60. Okay, so that's this way and not this way. Okay, so we have the analysis for this and for this. We need for 5 and 10. So how do we get 5 and 10? So we can get that from here. So since 50 is equals to 5 times 10, we reverse the operation. So since we multiply 5 and 10 to get 50, if we divide 50 by 10, we have 5. And if we divide 50 by 5, we divide 50 by 5, right? We have 10, okay? So with this, we have the analysis for the 4 pots. To get our 50, we know what to do. To get the 60, we know what to do. To get the 5, and to get the 10. So we can use this as the formula to solve the questions, all right? All right, so let's go over and solve the exercises under section F. All right, now we have the exercises, and that's from number 19 to 21. Okay, so in number 19, we are looking for this pot. Remember, from our samples, we had 60 in this pot, right? And then we did 50 plus 10 in that analysis, 50 plus 10 to get the 60. So here we're going to do this pot plus this pot, and that's 40 plus 10, and the answer to number 19 is 50. All right, the answer is 50. here in number 20, we're looking for the spot. And remember from our analysis, this times this equals to this. So what are you going to multiply by 3? That will give you 18. And then the way to do that is to reverse the operation. We do division. So we do 18 divided by 3. And then we know the answer is what? 6. So like I said, you can always check. So if you put 6 back into the box, then you check with your sample. 6 times 3, and that's 18. All right. Then I'll leave number 21 for you. Please to answer the question, what should be in that trigonal pot? Please check and then write your answer in the comment. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. The comment section is there for you. Thank you. Bye.